This is just a hard story for me to believe, and I can't believe we have to share the news, but it's a big talker lately. The woolly mammoth, the dodo bird, and the Tasmanian tiger have all been extinct for a very long time. But those animals of the past could once again roam the earth. And yeah, it sounds like Jurassic Park, but because it kind of is. Meredith Yeomans tells us how and why.
This scientifically is not only achievable, but it will happen. And in the next few years, you will see species coming back from extinction.
The wild mission comes from a company called Colossal Biosciences, which is working to de-extinct the woolly mammoth, lost 4,000 years ago. Matt James is Colossal's chief animal officer.
We're creating technologies that are going to change tomorrow with de-extinction. But what's amazing is those technologies right now are making a difference to endangered species conservation today.
Using DNA from Asian elephants and DNA recovered from woolly mammoths frozen in the Arctic tundra, researchers at Colossal are using gene editing technology to change the genome of an Asian elephant until it reflects that of a woolly mammoth.
And as it turns out, the Asian elephant and the woolly mammoth are 99.6% genomically similar.
And that's just part of the project. Inside its labs in Dallas, work is underway to create artificial wombs to grow a woolly mammoth calf. Colossal has set a due date for the year 2028.
You guys could witness the birth of a woolly mammoth.
Yeah.
Do you think about?
I think about it all the time. When I was offered this position and I was sort of considering my life choices and this amazing opportunity to work at Colossal, my little brother called me actually and he said, "Do you understand you could be the first modern human to ever see a woolly mammoth? You could be the first person that's there to take that photo with a mammoth." And that opportunity is not lost. I mean, that privilege is incredible, and it's an amazing driving force.
But there's an even bigger driving force. James says restoring a mammoth ecosystem can preserve permafrost, or ground that remains frozen, and slow the release of greenhouse gases.
This is probably worth 100 different lifetimes of achievement in order to accomplish this goal. But we have to push as fast as we can because we are facing this imminent threat of global climate change.
Since announcing its intention for the woolly mammoth, Colossal has announced similar plans for the dodo bird and Tasmanian tiger, a startup trying to resurrect extinct animals by harnessing the power of modern technology.